Yeah, hi students. Welcome back. Today we are going to start new lesson. Lesson number 8, e-commerce. Let us have a look. In this lesson, we are going to discuss what is e-commerce, modes of e-commerce, advantages of e-commerce, system of payments in e-commerce, technologies of e-commerce, online news, social networking sites, online reservation, online shopping, mobile social networking. Let us have a look. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is also known as electronic commerce or internet commerce. Refers to buying and selling of goods and services using the internet and the transfer of money and the data to execute these transactions. Examples of e-commerce sites are Amazon, Flipkart, Shopee, Myntra, eBay, OLX, etc. are the examples of e-commerce websites. In simple words, e-commerce is a online website where we can purchase goods and services using the internet. That is called e-commerce site. Let us see about modes of e-commerce. It is very important topic. Basic types of e-commerce are business to business B2B, business to consumer B2C, consumer to business C2B, consumer to consumer C2C. What are these types? What are these modes? Let us have a look in detail. First one, modes of e-commerce. Business to business B2B. What is this B2B? Let us have a look. Business to business is an situation where one business makes a commercial transaction with another. This typically occurs when a business is sourcing material for their production process of output. Example, providing raw material to the other company that will produce output. In simple words, if two companies are sharing one-to-one business to another business, that is called B2B business model. Suppose business A is having raw material. Raw material means suppose they want to make chappals, slippers, sandals, anything. They are having the material like rubber. Rubber is there. Now B2 having machines to produce the chappals or sandals or etc. So they will exchange each other one business to other business. That is called business to business model. You can observe here in the pic. Next mode is business to consumer. The term business to consumer B2C refers to the process of selling products and services directly between a business and consumer. Consumers means customers who are the end users of the products or services. Most companies that sell directly to consumers can be referred as B2C companies. You can see the image for more details. If a company, the showroom is making the t-shirts, they are having the t-shirt company. If they are selling the t-shirts to the directly to the consumers, to the customers, that is called B2C model. So don't confuse between the B2B and B2C models. In B2B model, both companies are exchanging. In B2C model, businessman and normal customer are exchanging. That is called B2C model. Next one is consumer to business model C2B. Consumer to business is a business model in which consumers create a value and businesses consume that value. For example, when a consumer writes a review or when a consumer gives a useful idea for new product or development, then that consumer is creating a value for business. If the business adopts that input, that means suppose you are purchasing one t-shirt or one shoe or anything, then customer will give the review to that product. This t-shirt should be in different model, like that some ideas they will give to the business. Here that is called consumer to business model. You can see here image. Customer is giving reviews to the purchased products. This is called C2B. And the last mode is consumer to consumer. Consumer to consumer market provides an innovative way to allow customers to interact with each other. Traditional markets require business to customer relationships in which a customer goes to the business in order to purchase a product or service. In this model, customer will directly interact with the customer. For example, you can see here this image. Customer 1, he want to sell some products, so he will keep, I am having the bike, I want to sell. So what happened, then the second customer, he want to buy that product. So in this way, customer 1 will receive the money, customer 2 will be receive the product. That is called C2C model. Okay students, that's all for today's class. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care and stay safe.